Little boy riding fast on a tiny horse, so cute, so fast. Bunny jumping left and